डायरेक्ट कॉलेज आते ही सबसे पहले जिम।
भाई यार जिम तो भाई खुलवाना था ही।
दिखाया इनको कैसे डोमिनोज और चाय गली के बीच।
ये देखो यहाँ चाय गली, इसके ऊपर हमारा जिम है। होपफुली जिम खुला हो अभी। मैंने कॉल कर दिया था सर को पहले ही। तू पकड़िए फोन, मैं सर से मिलूँ।
सर वेरी वेल मेंटेन्ड सर जिम। No sir, many people are interested in our fitness club to join the paid gym. So they wanted to see a tour.
Yeah, so that's why we are just showing the
Jan month almost planning to open.
Yeah, from
January.
Jan they are saying.
Yeah, just listen from sir that college will open from January.
Yes, we will get. We are all waiting for mail.
Yeah, so this is our college. Third year. Yeah, in the
Founder, co-founder.
president, sir, vice president.
This was cricket team.
No, not.
No, sir. Actually, he is the vice president of the fitness club.
Oh, vice
Yeah, he was here only from last 7 days, but didn't came to gym.
Oh,
I'm here for NCC sir.
NCC. Oh,
Yeah. $30+ लाइव दोनों ग्रुप में डाल दिया तूने?
हाँ मैं डाल दोनों में नहीं।
फ्रेशर्स में डाल दिया, फ्रेशर तो मेन
फ्रेशर वाले में ही डाल।
और मेन वाले में
मेन वाले।
इसमें डाल देना पागल है। हाँ, कॉपी अगर डाल दे सिंपली। या सो दिस इज आवर जिम। Actually, many were excited just to watch the gym because because we didn't have that much clip also that time, so that's why, sir.
and still chairman Venkataya Bhatt, when you open.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this is our gym tour. We don't have any official news as yet. College will open soon. भाई बस कॉलेज खुल जाए और कुछ नहीं। So this was a gym tour. Seriously, guys, this is one of the best gym because this gym was open before the lockdown only. And as per your request, actually we have one more thing also here. I 42. Just I will show you one more thing. Yeah, so Sad, what is this, sir?
Rock climbing.
Rock climbing. So this is also here.
The indoor games.
And sir, what about the leg press machine?
Leg press.
Yeah.
This is a
Yeah, so this is a leg press machine, but
This is a different.
this is different, just a small leg press.
This is your body moves backward in this. Instead of pressing,
And this is incline hammer for the chest. And these are the treadmills. Hardik, reply to me. Yeah, भैया. Free weights is also here. Just wait, I will show you the free weights. Shoulder press, chest press, fly, leg pull down, seated row. हाँ सबसे पूछ ये नहीं है ऐप सी गायब हो गई. These are the free weights and the highest is 35 kg. See the campus will, we don't have any official idea when the campus will open. I guess the campus will open next month. We don't have any official idea when the campus will open. So just wait and wait for the mail. Whenever we will get the mail, then only we can say that campus will open and on this day. Okay, fine. Just I will go down, then I will give you the campus tour. Take तू पकड़ फोन मैं सर से बात करूँगा. So any ideas of when the campus will open? No idea.
No idea.
Next month also yes.
Business going on.
No confirm.
Retext to January,
Okay.
but not sure.
Because
So they can call batch wise, no? Like fourth year students
Yeah,
first,
like
third
that,
year.
like that.
Yeah.
It was again new version with Corona.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And no one was prepared for it, right? So,
Yeah.
and it's very difficult to follow the protocols with so many thousands of people in 1 year. This year, I guess there are 6,000 registrations for BTech
Oh, so
this year. They are making D block hostel also, no?
सारी pics video.
yeah, good luck.
Yeah, we'll show them on the live.
Yeah, we will just show them the other vlogs and other things, na. In the
So
live.
thank you, sir, for showing us the
Thank you so
gym.
much. ले ली pics and video सारी.
पिक्स ले ली, वीडियोस की जरूरत नहीं है. अब सही है. वीडियो में मैं इसमें अच्छी आती नहीं.
ठीक है. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you
Thank
for
you, sir.
opening
Just
the
for
gym on
giving
our
us-
special request.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir.
And sir, regarding the event and the on the fitness club, we are just planning to have one the quality open because the every event is over
Online one,
yeah, online
yeah.
event because
Yeah.
we can't actually we just can't repeat the events. No, that's why.
All the events are getting repetitive. We aren't getting
And
many
we
new
are
ideas
not
for
getting
us.
any
Getting bored.
entries.
Yeah, it's getting bored.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
We are not getting if we are getting the entries, students are not coming to the event. I guess hardly 60 or 60 or max to max 100 members are coming in the event. So there is no use of us doing the event.
We'll wait for till January.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
We'll know
In
about
offline, sir, we'll conduct many maximum events.
Because there are many
Fitness
types
club
of-
will be on top, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, because if there are many ideas, we can just take
Because
some
fitness is only offline, na, sir. Music, dance, and also you can do online also. Everything you can do online. Coding and all. Many clubs.
Just insisting someone to do workout in the front of camera is very difficult.
Yeah.
Because yes, and that will be
Okay, after January we'll plan. So
Yeah,
yes, sir.
January, no.
Definitely.
Yeah,
Get to know about the position in January.
Yeah.
yes. Sir. Okay, sir.
Chalo, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sure, sir. See you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sir.
Thank you so much.
Jacket ले
ये
लीजिए.
जैकेट ले लूँ.
दीजिए camera. So guys, this was our gym tour. Now I'm going to the for the campus tour. Those who are interested, they can just check it out. Campus tour, I will just cover everything, whatever I can, because the campus is very big, so it's very difficult to cover everything. So
Not
I'm just
cover everything. Even if you
Yeah.
are able to see half of the campus, it's more
Yeah.
than enough.
because it's very difficult. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Bye, sir. I will just show you the blocks and the rest of the part. So first of all, when we are just coming down, so this is a Chai Gali. Above the Chai Gali, it's a gym, and those who are going to gym, they are just coming to the Chai Gali and just eating something else, nonsense, whatever they want. So this is our A block. Yeah, so this is our Domino's, just down of the gym.
Right below the gym we have Domino's.
Right now it's closed only.
And this is Gym Khana. It's open right now and you have very limited
The
items.
diet is totally different from the gym.
We won't go inside because I don't want to show the camera to everyone. Now we'll move towards the A block and I'll show you the D block that is in construction right now.
Academic ब्लॉक से दिखा दो इनको यार, जहाँ पढ़ाई करनी है इन्होंने बेचारों ने.
Yeah, this is the academic block where you all are gonna study. This is called AB1, okay? Academic block 1. This is the main and the first block. Nice placement, Domino's. Definitely. You won't get a delivery boy job here though. That is faculty block 1. This is A block. And there we have D block which is in construction. We won't go too far close to it, but we'll just show you a glimpse of it from here itself. यहाँ बन रहा है D block. Earlier here used to be a basketball court and a football ground, but VIT doesn't give a shit about what do you say, other facilities and all. They just wanna build their infrastructure as much as possible. So the basketball court and football court and basketball court has been broken down to make D block. See, name of the project is D1 Men's Boys Block, Men's Hostel, D block. This is A block.
क्रिकेट ग्राउंड भी दिखाएंगे भाई, जस्ट वेट अ सेकंड. We will just save the live. Yeah, sure. We will just save the live and it will be available on my Insta page only. Yeah, sure. We will just save the live. And Ipoda College open Agumat. Bhai, bro, I don't know Tamil, so please just ask it.
Kunjam Tamil kariyo.
Yeah. So now just we are going towards the AB1 Portico. Nice placement, Domino's.
Yeah, we have here master's students studying here. So there are students in the campus. I don't know if I'm audible. So we have students of master's studying here. There are 2 years of students right now in college. So there are like about 400 to 500 students in college presently. The college is entirely functional. There are many people in campus. I have come here for NCC camp, but since it's postponed for a few days, I might leave soon. So let's see. I'm here since 7 days, by the way.
Now we are going towards.
There we have our V-Mart and all, where you can buy groceries and all. We won't go that side, but yeah, it's over there. This is the AB1 block, second entrance.
Yeah, so this is the entry of the AB1 Portico. We are just going towards the AB1 Portico. इसका नाम क्या था, मैं भूल गया.
इसका नाम ना गजीबो ही बोलते हैं यार, क्या बोलते हैं?
गजीबो नहीं, इसका something else. How come you guys are a campus open or they have open? See, actually campus is open for only the MTech students, those who are doing PhD and something else course, not for the BTech students. Only for the MTech students the campus is open. NCC camp and certificate, yeah, for that also they are just called the NCC members.
ये दिखा देना.
Yeah, so this is the Georgia, this is a Georgia where just everyone just sit and just
Make out.
Carried in Pondras, ma'am. Actually, I'm just seeing, ma'am, many of the faculties.
Yeah, here now you have construction going on for AB 3. They're making a new academic block 3. Earlier, when we used to be in first year, like when we used to have our offline college going on, that time AB2 was on construction, and right now AB3 is on construction. So we have our new academic block 3. There you can see the constructed building, that is academic block 2, and behind that we have B block on the right and C block on the left. This is the main entrance of academic block 1.
We will just try to go inside, but let's
No,
see.
we won't go inside, we don't have time.
अरे मैम जरा मिलना है।
No, we won't. अभी मैम से मिलना है तेरे को तो लाइव में थोड़ी दिखाएगा सबको कि तू मैम से मिल रहा है।
नहीं लाइव में दिखा
नहीं नहीं
सबको दे दिया ले लेते हैं अभी 80
रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है।
हाँ गायब हो गए Actually, I can't accept the request. VIT trends. Can you just send me once again? जो भी आएगा भाई 100 yeah, so if it's possible, yeah, so this is the main entrance of the Avian portico. Yeah 20k is and like minimum only 20k is just too much. 20k was just like everyone I can just complete.
Looks like we'll complete 20k steps every day. Lots of walking. हाँ, bro, 180 acres campus and each and every block is way apart from each other. You have basketball courts so far you can't even. I can see it from my eyes, but I don't think so. You will be able to see it on the phone. So you won't go that side. It's hell lot of hot over here. It's really sunny. Yes, bro, 100 plus views. I'm definitely sure that Naveen wouldn't have got so many views on any of his live. I mean, I
Yeah,
understand
now we are just
all must have not seen the
yeah.
campus
So
and-
now we are just going towards the hostel blocks. So this is the shed pathway, shed and accepted. Yeah. So actually, VIT Trends is live with us. Actually, we are VIT Trends also just used to just show the pics and the videos of the campus. Yeah, I will show. Actually, badminton court is available.
Badminton court, they have broken down actually.
Yeah, right now badminton court is not available.
They have actually broken down the badminton court, but we have one badminton court in each of the blocks, like
Yeah.
A block, B block, and C block.
Yeah, so this is the pathway for actually the campus is very big.
We have our cricket ground over here. This is the actual cricket ground. Right now, it's not maintained at all. You can see as the grass and all has grown so much. And this side, we have another academic block, AB3, being built up. It's going to be a huge campus. And there you can see another building in construction. Wait, now we move from the camera, yeah. That building which is being constructed is another lab, the other school for BTech students. And that you can see is the gazebo. That is the gazebo. We'll have a close look of the gazebo. It's beautiful. It's well built. And this is the cricket ground. It's a lot of walking, yeah.
Yeah, so still we are just walking only. Oh, seriously, yaar, I was missing too much this campus. First of all, I just show you the AC gym, and all the live video will be just uploaded as it is same on my page only. So those who was just want to just see it, they can. and we will just upload some reels also and the separate AC gym tour on the Fitness Club VITC page. You guys can just follow VITC page, also Fitness Club VITC page. And we are just going to show you now the AB2 Portico, right? AB2, yeah, AB2 academic block. Actually, I just forgot the name also in last 2 years. And old gazebo sexy tha yaar gazab. Yeah, see, actually the old gazebo.
ओल्ड गजीबो सेक्सी था, ये और ज्यादा सेक्सी है.
You once you will just watch this gazebo, na, you will just definitely enjoy it a lot. Now we are just going towards the B block. B block is actually full for girls only from the this year. B block is actually for only girls, and C block and A block I showed you before. That was for the seniors. A block is for seniors and C block is for the freshers.
And now D block is also for seniors, like second, third year.
See, the college will open. See, everyone is asking the same question: when the college will open? When the college will open? This is actually the college will open. We don't have any official news yet, but they are saying that the college will open by next month, January. Let's see when the college will open, but we don't have any official news. But everyone just saying, hope so. Yeah, so this is our B block. Only right now only the MTech students are here. So this is the B block. B block is actually for VIT freshers के लिए कब खुलेगा? See, actually we can't say. And we are just going. And the shed is also made here. Before the shed was not here. B block is totally for girls. VIT Chennai. इसको चेंज कर देना.
ATM और वो दिखाया, क्या बोलते हैं, हेल्थ केयर मेडिकल सेंटर, यहीं से दिख जाता.
Just a second. Yeah, so
It's hot and come inside. Naveen had muted this. Sorry. Yeah, so Naveen has come in C block to collect his belongings and all. So he's following a certain procedure. I hope now you can hear me. I don't know. अन्ना क्या बोल रहे हैं सुनाओ तो सही. अन्ना का सुनना है तुम्हें. आधे घंटे बाद क्या?
जब तक सर नहीं आएंगे
ओके देन.
तो वहाँ से आ जाएंगे. We have live तो ऐड करना ही नहीं.
तो ये यहाँ बैग तो यहाँ रख दे.
बैग यहाँ रख दो. ये सामान नहीं है. ये सामान नहीं है. 20 हाँ तो मैं चलो उधर से आता हूँ ना. कब तक आएंगे सर? आधा घंटा होगा लंच करने में.
So guys, the hostel warden is not here, so we'll have to continue with the college tour right now. He'll come in like another 20-30 minutes. Naveen, bitch, you had muted the live session.
किसने
They
mute
weren't
किया?
able to hear you. I don't know. I didn't mute it. ये भी यहीं रख देना jacket. Fine. So I don't know. I think I'm completely blacked out or something.
So where we are going now?
We'll be going towards the B block. Then we'll see the Arvind. Then we'll see the gazebo.
Okay.
Then we'll see the library, we'll see the new Mahatma Gandhi auditorium.
Okay, just guys, I will just show you the rest over the parts.
This is just
Yeah.
like, we have seen like one
1/4 only.
One-fourth
We have
of
just
the
seen
campus.
only 1/4 of the part of the VIT Chennai campus till now. And we are just going to just see the swimming pool auditorium, the new auditorium, Mahatma Gandhi auditorium,
Like,
and
one thing we
library.
go from this side.
Yeah, library and the other parts, whatever we are left with.
The VIT lake, the Mahatma Gandhi auditorium, the NCC NSS room.
Seriously,
the
yaar, 20K step is like
nothing.
in VIT Chennai. Every day you can just pass 20K steps easily. If you are going to the class in the morning also or in the afternoon also.
Bro, attending labs in a different block, attending theory classes in a different
Phone
block, going to gym, going to play sports, then again running down and up for mess.
Yeah, B block. See, actually, B block is totally for girls. So
No, from now on.
from now only. So hope you understand that we can't go there. See, I can't. So they see actually the B block is this only. I can just show you from here only.
No, we can show them the entrance as well.
Yeah, we can just show you the entrance also.
Here it used to be for boys as well. the
VIT,
block.
yeah, VIT चेन्नई में स्विमिंग पूल है. And Nagamuthu कहाँ गया है?
Nagamuthu has gone for this thing.
See, actually, I just can't enter the hostel because Nagamuthu is not here.
मेरे को काहे को पूछता है?
Swimming pool, yeah, just wait.